Hello, hope you all will be good. Today we are going to start a tutorial series of Balsamiq Mockups in English, and here is our first project. And here we can see the first page is about, this is the landing page. There will be numbers coming downwards. We can't make animations in the Balsamiq Mockup, so I will make like this, like it's shown, and there will be word map over there and enter button. And the next one is the home page. There will be a YouTube video, then again YouTube video, and third one in the 50-50 divided by part. And here are some social icons and the same icons to the general public page. And there are some forums, videos, news and news feed. And here are some tabs like shop, learn, donate and contact. And there's a footer and privacy terms of services or terms and conditions. So these are our two pages, and the shop page goes to the e-commerce stores where shirts and hats, masks, bags, etc. And the donate, learn page goes to frequently asked questions page. And then donate goes to some website, confidential website, and there will be some donations like memberships or gifts etc. And there is the contact page which will go to the contact form, the name, email, phone, address, or male or female. There is the gender specified. And here are some forums pages. The form page will go to module API, that is not mentioned yet, so we'll just make that empty page. And here are the more home pages. Is that content about hacking and stop hacking affiliates, and there are, so let's start from this page, and this is named as anonymous landing page. So let's create a new project in the Balsamiq Mockups. So the first thing is to save this project. Go to freelancing Fiverr, and I'm not sure what was the name here. Let's see. Do it. I'm sorry if I taking this home. And here are my work folder, and here is the requirements folder. So we are currently here, and let's name this as anonymous. And this is the anonymous pages. So we are creating a web project. So first thing, if you are not if you can't see here a UI library, you just can click on this UI library icon or Control L, and you will see here are all the icons we will use in our project. These are very simple to use. We just can drag and drop here, or we can search here by name like button. So it will be button, we just press enter and it will be here. So this is a web project. We are going to take a browser first, and the normal bits of the browser is, I just take is the 1500, so it will look like some website. And width, so we can increase from here, or we can type here. So here is our web page. The first thing is to name this to page number 1, landing page, and it will be for the user who is not registered yet, I guess. And here is what landing page for the new user, and loads with numbers falling. How can I make an animation in this? That's not possible. The word logo begins to come into focus in center with the enter here. Loading with numbers falling. So let's have some trick. So I guess we must make some word image, I guess. Where does that go on? Let's come on an anonymous page. So let's search for some word map or globe. I guess that will be icon, and we can't increase that. So first let's make some numbers. What does that mean? Loads with numbers falling. So there will be numbers falling there. So let's make something like, I guess let's take a rectangle tool, and where are you? So here will be rectangle tool, I guess, and numbers falling from, I'm not sure if I am right. We'll show to our client and we'll ask him if we need any changes, because let's make this and numbers falling, like numbers falling from. So let's take some text over here, search for some title, label, and here we write down the numbers like 12. I'm not sure. Here we change this color to white and text to about 60, and if we make this like this, numbers falling, lock the browser, so it will be not moved if we select this, and these numbers, like that will be like rolling or scrolling something. So let's copy this and here, and same thing to this one page. I guess it is not centered aligned. Yes, that's okay. So there are numbers like I guess that will be random numbers, and just to show first that will be kind of our splash screen, like coming down towards, let's put 00, and here some 77 or 70. So that will be kind of, so I guess let's make some arrows, like to show that the numbers will be falling down. So let's pick up arrow here, and if we remove this, and if we press the shift button and then came to this, let me turn on the annotations, like I don't know what's that name, there's the click or something button. So let's see in our softwares folder, so you can see what I am pressing. There is something, yes, QI press, so QI press is, let's extract this, and here is the QI press. Yes, I accept, and here it is. So if you click on this, how can I hold you? Man, that's 1 minute. Yes, I have just dragged this to here to show that what I am just pressing. So we just make made an arrow, and so here like showing that they are going downwards, and let's make them like this. So here we can align them to the space like with this and copy paste them here. So we will also add comment to show that what is actually going on. So here are the pages like numbers going down. So let's find out a comment here, and let's add a comment rather to tell the developer that what's going on. The numbers will be showing randomly and going downwards till the page loads and the map is visible completely. So here it is like this, the numbers will be going downwards. And so this is first we call this landing page into loading 1. Okay, this is the landing page loading numbers, and here we have then word logo begins to come into focus in center with the enter here. Then there will be a word logo, so let's duplicate this and rename this to 2. Landing page showing word logo visible. So the numbers will be like disappear at that time. I'm sure the numbers will be disappear. And here we have the word logo, so we have to show a logo, then finds an image section here, and whatever the image will be, they will add their image. So we can add a comment like this, and we have so did you saw that was behind this, like this is behind the comment. So we drag it here, it shows there. If we want to take it to the front, we can just change here, or we can just I just simply, if that's behind the image, so I just click on Control X and Control V so it becomes automatically to the upside. That's very quickly. So this is the word map, this is the word map, and to logo visible after the numbers disappear. So it will be like this something, I guess. So let's add some icon showing the logo. Let's call this logo or something. This is some victory logo, and we can increase the size here of this. This is just to show. I'm not sure that it will go to here or not. We just added a comment so he can understand what does this mean. There is a button enter here with the enter here button. So we just let's make a button over here and behind this, and name this enter. So let's increase the size of the button to this so you can see properly what is going on. So I was just setting this at that time. So at what place it will be good? Is that good here to see what is being clicked, because I have to change this pane again and again. So let's first recenter this and this to here, and then to our window, just like that. Comment, let's add comment here. So we have finished our first page, and this is the landing page and new user, and when he will enter he will come to this page, and this is our home page. So let's duplicate this and rename this to home page, our home page. And there is some stuff in our home page, and first thing is there is a video, and here is the logo. So first there will be logo. Let's draw a line. If we have to draw a line, we can just take that arrow and remove its arrow action sides, and just press the shift icon so it can move on 45, 180, 270, 90, and like that. So here it is, and we will show a logo there. So we will must have an image to show the logo. So let's find out image here and let's drag it there. So we can also add a comment there. I will copy from here and paste to this and add a comment that this is logo. We can add our images to this easily just by double clicking on this, and we will find some image here, and we can just add. There are big images, so let's find some simple images. And if let's see, this is our logo, this girl is our logo, so it will be placed there, right? We can adjust the size. So that's simple. We are not adding logo right now. This is logo, and then there is a play button with a box. So let's take some let's take a box. I just search here for the box, and that's a rectangle. I just forgot that. So let's add that first. What is the size of this? Here it will be like the slider here, and there will be icon. So let's search for, if we press the backslash, then it directly goes to this search bar. So we can search the icon here, and there are icons. So I just click on that and show this here, and I can just double click on this, or we can search here the play icon, or if I double click, it will show me all the icons built in of this software. So if we click on play, then it will be good to show here. We can increase the size of the play button here, XL, it will be good. I just select these and press the align center, and it makes it good. Unlock the browser to resize it. I just drag it down, and then here it is. We have a line over here, and then we have again two play buttons like this. We have, is there some space? Yes, there is some space from the top, and here we have two more boxes. So I guess they are 50-50. So let's do like this, and here is the first one, and I will copy this to this. Yeah, just to make sure that they are right aligned. So let's take this and I'll move this to this, and it means that we can move this one to little bit to the center, so it will be aligned right. So let's delete this and add a title. Add a title there, and I just copy paste from my previous pages rather to finding the icon from the top and so on. So let's change this color to black, and I hope this name is anonymous, ANONS something, ANONS dash S ANONS. And it's alt control F2. if you press this alt control 2, then it will center this, and then here is the second one, which is named as general public. Here is the general public page, and in the general public there are some social icons behind this, and there is a line there. So let's align this to center, and I guess yes, the size is almost correct, and we will have this, and I'll copy this to this, and we'll make a line there in the center, and it is, and let's center this, so it will be like this, and then follow button with some social icons, follow with some social icons, and lock the browser. So here we will add our icons. These are icons. So if we find some Facebook, and then there's I guess Google, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Google, and then Twitter, then YouTube, and LinkedIn, I guess, if that is there, and there's one more added, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, I don't know what is that, and the same thing there on the second side of the public. And there are two more things, the sign up and sign in pages. That will be buttons if I am not wrong. Here we have the sign up and sign in. Sign up or sign in. Let's add there sign in. Yep, man. Sign up area. So there is a line behind these. Source completed, and there is the forums page, videos and news. They are like tabs. I'll take the work from the buttons right there, and forums, videos and news feed. Forums, if that is aligned center, no. What is the problem with you? So let's take some text area and then add forums and recenter this. Then we will increase the size, forums, and then videos, and then news feed. Videos and then news feed. That will be news. Here's the news feed. Videos, forums goes to another page. Videos will show here. Is that right? Here will be a line. Is that right? If I'm not wrong. So the videos feed and news feed, and there will be contact button. So let's type some text there showing that videos feed. So let's take some text instead of this, and we add here videos feed, and then we drag here and change the border color to white, so it will be not shown, and it will show the videos feed like this. And then news feed and the contact button. News feed and a contact button. Yes, that must be capital. And contact button. So what is next to this? And there are some shop, learn, donate and contact pages like this. Shop, learn, donate, and there will be one more, the contact page. So let's decrease the size of these little bit nearer, so it will be shown like this. So here is the contact page and this, and there will be footer and privacy terms of services. So let's add a line for the footer. And will it be good here? Our footer will be completely behind this footer, and here will be footer. And let's add some privacy terms of services like lorem text, stay next to 17, terms of services. So let's copy this and TOS. So here are our two pages has been completed, a home page and the landing page. So let's export them all and see. All mockups to PNG, and here is the folder. Let's check them out how they looks. So here are these. This will be the numbers page loading downside, and here is the enter button after the numbers hiding and the word logo, and here is the home page with the logo, the videos as slider, and here are as per the requirements the news feed. And we will make the, I guess the video is longer, so we will make the next in the next screen in the next video. So let's see you in the next lecture.